jingle. Gates open, they're up and racing. Show My House draws for your lead, moving up by the Jungle Jingle. In between runners up, Town Girl Arriba, Amor. Moving up on the outside to take second, then racing by the rail, Chichi's Ice. Poker Chip running in between runners, next in line, Jade and Dugo. Prince Popeye comes next, running on the outside. LM Kai, then by the rail, Alexis Diamond. Running second last, Empire's Magic, and Mr. Jason is running at the tail of the field as they reach the final 450 with a favorite takes up the running Arriba. Amor, now the leader, Jungle Jingle drops back in second, racing into the Town Girl, Chichi's Ice. Prince Popeye is on the outside, then followed by Show My House, LM Kai with 150 to go. This one, the horse of Mr. Hermes Garana pulling away from the pack, winning race number 5. This one, Arriba Amor. Second, Prince Popeye. Then comes number 8, Uptown Girl, close between Chichi's Eye, Show My House, and